Most people compare paycheck advance apps the wrong way, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming they work under the same system. Because one is employer-based and the other is user-driven. And that changes everything. In this video, we are breaking down PayActiv versus Earnin in 2026 and helping you decide which one is actually better for your situation. Let's start with the basics. PayActiv is an employer-partnered earned wage access platform. That means your company must offer it as a benefit. You cannot just download it and start using it on your own. Now compare that with Earnin, which works more directly with users based on tracking your work hours and income flow instead of employer enrollment. Now here's where it gets interesting. These two apps solve the same problem: getting early access to your paycheck, but they do it in completely different ways. Let's break it down clearly. With PayActiv, everything depends on your employer. If your workplace is enrolled, you can access your earned wages with more structure and stability. If not, you cannot use it at all. With Earnin, you have more independence. You connect your job or timesheets, and the app estimates your earned income. That gives users like Alex more flexibility, especially if their employer does not offer wage access programs. But here's the problem most people miss. Flexibility also means responsibility. Earnin relies more on user reporting and tips, while PayActiv is more controlled and structured through payroll systems. Now let's talk about speed and reliability. PayActiv tends to be more stable because it is integrated directly with employers. Earnin can be fast, but sometimes depends on verification, work tracking, or bank processing times. This is where Jake's situation becomes a good example. Jake uses Earnin for quick cash access, but sometimes experiences delays because his work hours need to be verified. Meanwhile, someone using PayActiv through their employer may get more predictable access without extra steps. Now let's talk about costs. Both apps can be low cost or even free depending on usage and employer setup. However, optional fees, tips, or instant transfer charges can apply, especially if you need money faster. In a minute, I'll show you a simple rule to decide which app is better for you in under 10 seconds based on your job type and income pattern. Now, let's compare use cases. If you work a traditional job with a stable employer, PayActiv is usually more reliable. If you are in gig work, freelance, or your employer does not support wage access, Earnin may be the better option. But here's the key insight. Neither app is meant for long-term financial dependency. They are designed for emergencies and short-term cash flow gaps only. Let's summarize clearly. PayActiv is better for structured employer-based access and reliability. Earnin is better for flexible independent access when your employer is not involved. The best choice depends entirely on how your income is set up, not just which app looks easier. If this helped you understand PayActiv versus Earnin, make sure to like the video, comment which one you use, and subscribe for more simple finance comparisons.